Yeah.
Hi, Pete from Gasoline Alley Toys, Onalaska, Wisconsin, and again today I'm going to show you a quick basic installation of one of our replacement parts. And the part is for a mini Tonka Jeep. It's our grill slash bumper. Part number is TKP147. And again, Gasoline Alley Toys, our website. And a lot of times on these minis, the one thing that it's missing or is damaged enough is this grill. This one had no grill when we got it, so went out to our part bin, got a new Jeep grill. These fit really nicely, and again, a lot of times if the truck itself is bent up, you're going to have to do some tweaking and things like that to get it to fit right, but this one's pretty solid, so let's see how it works. First thing you want to do is take the top of the grill and slide it up underneath the hood. Okay, that's how they were from the factory. And both these tabs should line up nicely here, like this one does. Okay, so underneath now is your main tab in the middle here that holds it tight. And what I do is I just take a screwdriver, and you can use a different tool, whatever works for you, and hold it tight. Some people will put it on their bench. I like to try to hold it so I don't damage it. Once it gets started, it'll go a little easier. The toughest part is getting it started. And you can see it's going, and I do a little at a time. Again, I take it slow, and there you can see it kind of pop or go all the way in and get tight. So now it's a nice tight fit. It fits really nice, and it looks great. I mean, dressed up that truck in a matter of minutes with one part. Looks a lot better. So we sell a lot of these. TKP-147 is our part number, and that's the mini Tonka grill and bumper. Thank you.